Hi, Tyson Mutrux here with the Mutrux Law Firm in this week's Monday Q&A. Before I get to the 3 questions, I do want to remind you to go to our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe there. We provide a lot of legal information there, as you can tell through the Monday Q&A, and also we answer a lot of other questions. Also go to our Facebook page and like us there. You can also submit questions to us through Facebook. However, do want to remind you not to put those on the Facebook page. You don't want those to be public. You can send those to me via an instant message. So we have our 3 questions. Here we go. Question number 1 comes from Tyler. He asks, in a personal injury case, if the other side wants to depose me, do I have to let them? The answer to that question is yes. If you are making a claim for damages and you've sued someone, they have the opportunity to depose you. Now, there are certain limitations on that, but however, they do have the right to depose you. Question number 2 comes from Jordan, and Jordan asks, if I was in a personal injury auto accident and the other side has offered me money, what are my options if I do not want to accept that offer? And the answer to that question is, if you've not filed suit yet, then you have an option of filing suit. You can pursue that claim all the way up to trial if you want to, and you can appeal it if you want to. Those are your rights. You don't have to accept the insurance company's top offer. I do want to remind you, though, and I'll get to this a little more in the next question, but if they only have limited coverage, suing them may not be worth it. Okay? So that leads me into the third question. Third question actually comes from Maya. If the other driver only has $25,000 in insurance, what are my options if my injuries exceed that amount? You do have other options. Now, if you have what's called underinsured motorist coverage, you can file a claim with them, and that is a highly recommended coverage you should get if you don't have it. That in addition to MedPay, that could protect you in situations where the other driver does not have a lot of insurance. The other option is if it's a company or a person, you can sue them and you can go after them personally. However, I do want to remind you that if the other driver doesn't have good auto insurance, they probably don't have any money, so it's probably pointless. Okay. So if you have any other questions about that, give us a call at 888-550-4026. Submit your questions for next week at TysonAnswers.com. Again, also go to our YouTube channel, check us out there, and also go to Facebook.com.